Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of TikTok photo swipe not working. So most of the times the problem is either people want to upload a slideshow, like you click the plus icon on the bottom center and then you choose your gallery. And then you have a select multiple picked, and if you try to select multiple photos and click next, you don't have this slideshow option here, and TikTok is automatically making it into a video. The other problem people usually have is that they see a post of somebody else which should be a slideshow gallery and they just can't swipe between the photos. So now I'm gonna show you a couple of possible solutions which may help with both of the problems. So the first thing you can try is that you click your profile on the bottom right corner, then you click the three lines on the top right corner, then click settings and privacy, then you scroll down to free up space and you are just going to clear the cache because this usually solves a lot of bugs. So we're gonna just click clear and clear again. Then you close the application, then you reopen the application and you're gonna try if this solved your problem. Next thing which can usually help people with not being able to upload slideshows is that if you have another account, you click your profile picture on the bottom right corner, then click on this arrow on the top center and you just switch your account to another one. Then you need to close the application. This is a really important step, so it needs to be closed. Then you need to reopen the application. Then you're gonna click the plus button on the bottom center and just try the slideshow function again with this account. We're just going to choose a couple of photos to see if the slideshow is working, and if it's working, then all you need to do is just switch back to the account you were trying before, and this may solve your problem. And you just need to check whether you are able to post slideshows on this account. If none of these helped you so far, I think the last possible solution I can recommend you is basically just deleting the application. But you need to be aware that this is going to delete all of your drafts. So if you want to do this, you have to save your drafts one by one by going into your drafts, clicking on the draft, clicking on this arrow on the right side of the screen and just scroll down to save. And you need to do this one by one basically. And then you just delete the application and reinstall it. But it's really important that your drafts are going to be lost. If you delete the application, you can download them without a watermark, so you can also try this step and it's possibly gonna help you if none of the other steps helped you. Alright, so all in all, this is how you can fix TikTok's photo swipe not working. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.